Good evening, guys. Welcome back. Welcome back with the second puzzle. The second puzzle in this puzzle page of the weekend edition. The weekend edition of Sunday. Today is Saturday, September the 7th, 2024. In this puzzle page, I've already solved one puzzle, the 4-star Sudoku. So 3 puzzles are left. The Jigsaw Sudoku, aka Tectonic. One of these binaries, and the Killer Sudoku. Yes, it's killer time. And this one will be number 9230. For Killer Sudoku, I need 20 to 30 minutes to solve. That's my time limit. If you compare with the 1-star, 2 stars, 3 stars, and the 4-star Sudokus, in an additional, it will be a 3 stars puzzle. All right. So let's get started. We have 2 given numbers here. The given number 5 in this triple box of 18. That means that those 2 boxes together should be 13. Here, the given number 9 in this box of 18. That means that those 2 boxes together should be a 9. Well, 9999. Well. My first strategy is to look for a big square with 1 sharing box. We have 9 big squares. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. This big square is complete. Yeah. If you count all these numbers, the total sum of a big square is always 45. The total sum of a row is always 45. The total sum of a column is always 45. Okay, this one is complete. This one has 2 sharing boxes. This one has 1. If I count all these numbers, I will know what number this will be. This one is complete. This one has 1, 2, 3, 4. This one is complete. This one has 1. This one has 2, 3. And this one is complete. So those 2 boxes, those big squares. All right, double 9 is an 18. Plus 16. Oh wait, 16 plus 6 is 22. So 22 plus 18, 40. So 45 minus 40 is a 5. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 5 plus 6. Okay, now we go to this big square. 15 plus 4 is 19. 19 plus 9 is 28. 28 plus 8 is 36. 36. So 45 minus 36 is a 9. This box will be a 9. In the box of 13, the combination will be 9 plus 4 is equal to 13. Okay, my next strategy is to look for boxes with only 1 combination. For example, the box of 4, only 1 combination, 3 plus 1, 3 plus 1. The box of 16, only 1 combination, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7. 999, 12, 7, 12, 14, 24, 9, 7, 15, 12, 8, 10, 13, 11, 3. The box of 3, only 1 combination, 2 plus 1, 2 plus 1. So we have a 1 in one of those 2 boxes in this column. So this box can be 1 and more. That box will be a 1 and this box will be a 3. 11, 7, 12, 8, 11, 9, box of 16, 9 plus 7, 9 plus 7, 6, and then 9. Okay, my next strategy is to look for boxes with 2 combinations. For example, the box of 15, 2 combinations, 9 plus 6, and 8 plus 7. Well, the 9 and the 6, well, the 9 is already used here, so I cannot place the 9 and the 6 there. So it should be 8 and a 7, 8 and a 7. Okay. 9, 8, 2, yeah. One of the missing number in this big square is number 2. I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9 because then the combination will be 2 plus 7. The 7 is already used in one of those 2 boxes, in the box of 15. So the 2 should be in the box of 8. Combination 2 and a 6, 2 and a 6. and one pair is missing in this big square for the numbers 1, the 2, the 3, 4 is missing, 4 and 5. 4 and the 5, okay. Then let me see. 4, 4, 4, okay. Yeah. 1, 1, 1. Come on. No one here. Well. Need a 5 here. Well, 5 in this row, 5 in the first row. So the row between only 3 places left for the 5 should be here or there. I cannot place the 5 in the box of 11. Then the combination will be 5 plus 6. Well, the 6 is already used in this big square. So it should be in the box of 7. Combination 5 and a 2. 2 and a 5. So we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 2 anymore. That box should be a 2. And this box should be a 1. And one of the missing number in the first row is number 1. Well, I cannot place the 1 in one of those two boxes because we have a 1 in this big square. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11, otherwise the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. The highest number I can use is number 9. So the 1 should be in the box of 9. Combination 1 and 8. 1 and 8. So now we have two boxes left, the box of 6 and the box of 9. And one of the missing numbers is 2. Well, I cannot place the 2 in the box of 9 because then the combination will be 2 plus 7. 2 plus 7. The 7 is already used in one of those two boxes in the box of 16. So the 2 should be here in the box of 6. Combination 2 and 4. 2 and 4. And other two numbers in this big square, the numbers 1, the 2, 3 is missing, 3 and 6. Let me mark those. Alright. Then need a 1 here. 1 in one of those two boxes in this row, first row. 1 in the second row. So in the third row, there are only 3 places left for the 1 should be here or there. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Then the combination will be 1 plus 11. 11 is not allowed. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 11. Otherwise, the combination will be 1 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So the only place left for the 1 should be here. In the box of 8, the combination will be 1 plus 7. 9 and 7. We have 7 now in this column. No 7 there. 7 should be here. And then 9 goes there. 1, 2. Need a 3. 7. Well, 7 and the 5. 7 and the 4. Well, in this big square, we need a 4. We have a 4 in this column, so no 4 in these two boxes. So the 4 could be here, here, or there. If I place the 4 in one of those two boxes, in the box of 11, then the combination will be 4 plus 7. The 7 is already used in this column, so I cannot place the 4 in one of those two boxes. So the 4 should be here. In the box of 11, the combination will be 4 plus 7. Okay. Now, 1, 2, need a 3. 3 and a 9. 3 and 8. Okay. Could be 3 and 8. The 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, 8, and a 9. Here we have 2 missing numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. Well, I cannot place the 3 in the box of 13, otherwise the combination will be 3 plus 10. 10 is not allowed. So the 3 should be here. And the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. In the box of 13, combination will be 9 plus 4. In the box of 11, the combination here will be 3 plus 8. So 2 numbers left here. The 1, the 2, 3, the 4, 5, 6 is missing, 7 is missing. 7 and 6, 7 and 6. So we have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row. So this box can be 6 and more. That box should be 6, and this box should be a 3. One box left now in the second row for number 1, the 2, 3 is missing here. In the box of 11, combination will be 3 plus 8. So one digit left now in this big square for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8, 9 is missing. In the box of 12, combination will be 9 plus 3. 3. Well, 3 in this column, 3 in that column, so the column between. The only two places left of the 3 should be here or there. If I place the 3 here, then the combination will be 3 plus 6 in the box of 9. 3 plus 6. Well, the 6 is already used in one of those two boxes in this row, so I cannot place the 3 there. The 3 should be here. In the box of 9, the combination will be 3 plus 6. Okay. So now... one of the missing number in this big square is number 6. We have a 6 in one of those two boxes in this row, no 6 in these two boxes. We have a 6 in this column, no 6 in those two boxes. So the 6 should be in the box of 11. Combination is 6 and a 5, 6 and a 5. Well, we have a 5 in one of those two boxes in this row, so here can be 5. 5 should be here, 6 goes there. 2 and a 5, we have a 5 in this column, no 5 there. 5 should be here, and the 2 goes there. Then, I need a 2, well... I need a 2 in this big square. Well, we have a 2 in one of those two boxes in this row, so no 2 in these two boxes. So one box left of 2 in this big square should be there. In the box of 7, combination will be 2 plus 5. 2 numbers left in this big square. For numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the middle column, no 1 there. 1 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then 8 and the 7, we have a 7 in this row, no 7 there. 7 should be here, and 8 goes there. Then let me see. 2 numbers left now in this row. 4 numbers. 1 is missing. 1 and 8. Yeah. 1 plus 8 is 9. 9 plus 9 is equal to 18. Okay. 3, 3. The 6, 6. Interesting. Come on. 1 box left now in the middle column for number 1. The 2 is missing. 2 numbers left in this column for numbers. The 1 is missing. The 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7. 8 is missing. 1 and 8, 1 and 8. 1 plus 8 plus 2 is 11. 11. So I need a 9 here. And I need a 4 here. 9 and a 4. 11, 9 plus 4 is 13. 13 plus 11 is 24. Okay. Then. Well. Yeah. 5. Interesting. The 1 here, I need a 5. Three. Yeah. No, 3 and yeah. We have a 3 in this column, third column, 3 in the second column. So the first column, the only 3 places left for the 3 should be here, or there. We have a 3 in this row, no 3 there. So the 3 could be here, could be there. If I place the 3 in a box of 8, then the combination will be 3 plus 5. Well, the 5 is already used in this row, so I cannot place the 3 there. The only place left for the 3 should be here. In a box of 12, the combination will be 3 plus 9 is equal to 12. 9 and a 4, we have a 9 now in this row, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and the 4 goes there. Yeah. 3. 2, 6, and we need a 1 here, or there. Think. Need a 9 here. 2, 1, 7, 9, 3. Come on. 5. Need a 4 here. And 6 here. Ay. Well, we have a pair. The 3 and a 9 in this row. The 3 and a 9 in the middle row. So in the row below, the only 3 places left for the 3 and 9 goes in these 3 boxes. 3 and 9, 3 and 9, 3 and 9. And look, we have 3 and a 9 in the last column, so no 3 and 9 in this box. 3 and the 9 goes in those 2 boxes as a pair. 3 plus 9 is 12. 12 plus 2 is equal to 14. Okay. So we need a 2 there. We have the 3 boxes of 9. Yeah. One of the missing numbers is 2. We have a 2 in one of those 2 boxes in the last row, so no 2 in these 3 boxes. We have 2 in this column, no 2 in those 2 boxes. So the 2 could be here, could be there. Same for the 6. We have a 6 in one of those 2 boxes. In the last row, no 6 in these 3 boxes. We have a 6 in this column, so no 6 in those 2 boxes. So the 6 goes together with the 2 as a pair. 2 and a 6, 2 and 6. That means 1 digit left in the in this row for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4 is missing. In the box of 9, the combination will be 4 plus 5. So 2 numbers left for numbers. The 1, the 2, 3 is missing. The 4, the 5, the 6, 7 is missing. 3 and 7, 3 and 7. 9 and a 7. Okay. 1, 2, 3. 1, 8, and the 7 is missing. Yeah, in the last column we need a 7. I cannot place a 7 in a box of 7, of course. And we already have a 7 here. So the only place left of 7 should be here in the last column. Now in the box of 12, the combination will be 7 plus 5. So now we have 2 boxes left in this big square, the box of 12 and the box of 7. One of the missing number is a 1. I cannot place the 1 in the box of 12. Should be in the box of 7. Combination 1 and 6. 1 and 6. We have a 6 in this column. No 6 there. 6 should be here. And a 1 goes there. 1 and 8. We have a 1 in the last column. No 1 there. 1 should be here. And 8 goes there. 2 numbers left in this big square for numbers 1, the 2, the 3. 4 is missing. 4 and 8. We have a 4 in this row. Middle row. No 4 there. 4 should be here. And 8 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 in this column, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. Then 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in this column, so no 6 there. 6 should be here, 2 goes there. In the box of 9, the combination will be 2 and a 7. In the box of 9, this box, the combination here will be 6 plus 3. 3 and a 9, we have 3 in this column, no 3 there. 3 should be here, and a 9 goes there. At 9 and 7, we have a 9 in this column, no 9 there. 9 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 4, we have a 4 in this column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 1 and 8, we have 8 in this row, middle row, no 8 there. 8 should be here, and a 1 goes there. 1 box left in the middle row for number 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 is missing. In the box of 10, combination will be 6 plus 4. 4 and a 5, we have a 4 in the fifth column, no 4 there. 4 should be here, and a 5 goes there. 7 and 6, we have a 6 in the fifth column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 7 goes there. 2 and a 6, we have a 6 in the second column, no 6 there. 6 should be here, and a 2 goes there. 2 in the first column, 2 in the second column. So the first column, the only 2 places left, 2 should be here or there. We have a 2 in this row, no 2 there. 2 should be there. 1 box left now in the third column for number 1, the 2, the 3, the 4, the 5, the 6, the 7, the 8 is missing. 2 plus 8 is 10. 10 plus 5 is equal to 15. And the final 2 numbers in this big square for numbers, the 1 is missing. 1 and 7. We have a 1 in this column. Second column, no 1 there. 1 should be in, and 7 goes there. Finish in 19 minutes. Well, we solve it again. 3 stars. Well, let me give this 2 stars. I'm faster than 20 minutes. So well pleased with the time, and I like this one. Yes, I really do think so. Thumbs up. Otherwise, thumbs down. You can also download this PDF file so you can make it solve by yourself. Thank you again for watching. See you in a minute with the other 2 puzzles. Until then, bye bye for now.